All right, you should have your triangles cut out and labeled. I want you to pick up your 30-degree triangle. And remember, yesterday we talked about standard position, so put the vertex at the origin where it's supposed to be. You always start with your terminal side on the positive x-axis. If you'll notice, this 30-degree triangle fits perfectly. So this first angle right here that you see is your 30-degree angle measure. So 30 degrees. Come out here and label, you know that is your 30 degrees, or you can put it right in here. That's 30 degrees, wherever it's going to make you know what that angle measure is. So the ordered pair that goes with 30 degrees, what is this ordered pair? What am I going to do to get to this point right here? You're going to go over root 3 over 2, up a half. So that's that ordered pair, root 3 over 2, up a half. That's your 30-degree angle measure. All right, what is this angle measure, this next angle measure here? That's your 45-degree angle measure. So pick up your 45-degree triangle. Label, you know this is going to be your 45 degrees. And what is that ordered pair? Well, you're going from the origin, you're going over root 2 over 2, up root 2 over 2. So there's that ordered pair. Over root 2 over 2, up root 2 over 2. What is the degree measure, just for kicks, how far is it from 30 degrees to 45 degrees? That's 15 degrees. That'll come into play here in just a minute. That'll help you to figure out some of the rest of this around this unit circle. You don't have to label that. I just want you to remember that that's 15 degrees. All right, what's this? So this angle measure is 45. From 30 to 45 is 15 degrees. What is this next angle measure? Go back to the initial side, and it's going to open up. Now it's opening to this angle. What is this angle measure? Well, it's probably your 60-degree triangle. Let's look and see. It is. So what are the coordinates to that ordered pair? Well, to get to this point right here, from the origin, you're going over a half, up root 3 over 2. Those are the side lengths of that triangle. I'm going over 1/2 units and then up root 3 over 2 units. So over a half, up root 3 over 2. So there's the ordered pair that goes with your 60-degree angle measure. How much space is between the 45-degree and the 60-degree? If you'll notice, that's 15 degrees. From 30 degrees to 60 degrees, that's 30 degrees. All right, so how far is it from here to here? What is that angle measure? That is 90 degrees. Now, before I go any further, let's go back down and let's talk about this angle measure right here. This angle measure right here, here's your terminal side. Here's your initial side. Here's my terminal side. The terminal side opens up. Well, if I'm sitting right here on the positive x-axis and nothing has happened, what is this angle measure right here? What is this angle measure right here? Just this straight across line right here. You can't tell that anything's happening, but that is 0 degrees right there. My angle has not opened up at all. So this angle right here is 0 degrees. So I'm going from 0 and then I'm going up 30. So what is the ordered pair that goes with 0 degrees? We don't have that labeled. I went over root 3 over 2, up a half of a unit to get to this point right here. How do I know what to do to get from this point? I'm going from the origin, which is 0, 0, over how far? How far am I going? What did we talk about this line being a while ago? Remember, this is your radius. What was the radius a while ago? Remember the radius of these triangles? What's the radius? Or what's the hypotenuse of these triangles? That is the radius on this circle. What is it? This is out 1 unit, up 0 units. So 0 degrees has the ordered pair 1, 0. So let's go back and talk about 90 degrees now. I'm going over 0, up how many? 1 unit. So the ordered pair that goes with 90 degrees is 0, 1. How far did I go from 60 degrees to get to 90 degrees? This right here is 30 degrees. Okay? From 0 to here, that's 90 degrees. The ordered pair is 0, 1. Now, What about this stuff over here? I've got to go all the way around this unit circle, and I'm going to get you a little ways around, and then I'm going to let you do the rest of it. What is this angle measure right here? I'm going to run out of room, so I'm just going to put right here. What is this angle measure right here? How far is this? Well, all day kids have been saying 120 degrees. Where does that 120 degrees come from? Some kids did it one day, some kids did it another way. If I know from right here to right here is 30, don't these look like they're the same distance away? From here to here is also 30. From here to here is 30. From here to here is 30. If you'll notice, all this stuff here is symmetrical to this stuff over here. So from here to here is 30 degrees. From here to here is 30 degrees. So 90 plus 30 is 120 degrees. Another thing we can look at is, look at this triangle right here. I'm going to take this 60-degree triangle and I'm going to reflect it over. I'm going to reflect it across that y-axis and watch what happens. It lays right here. The 60-degree angle measure. Well, look right here. From here to here is 120. Look what the reference angle for 120 is. 60 degrees. Remember, reference angle is from terminal side of an angle back down to the x-axis. That's 60 degrees. So 120 degrees has a reference angle of 60 degrees. I'm going to turn this light back on. So what is the ordered pair that goes with 120 degrees? Well, it is the same ordered pair that goes with 60 degrees. But keep in mind that it's on the other side of the y-axis. How am I going from the origin to get to this point right here? Well, I'm going over 1/2 units, but which direction am I going? I'm going negative, up positive. So these ordered pairs are the same except for your x-coordinate sign. This point should be negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. All right, what about the next angle measure? I'm going from here to here. What is that angle measure? Well, remember, over here, from here to here is 15 degrees. From here to here is 30. From here to here is 30. From here to here is how many degrees? See if you can figure out what that angle measure is. Look right here. I'm going to pick this 45-degree triangle up. I'm going to reflect it across. This angle measure, this big angle measure right here, has a reference angle of 45 degrees. Well, if it has a reference angle of 45 degrees, 180 minus 45 is 135 degrees. Or 120 plus that 15 degrees is 135 degrees. The ordered pair for 135 degrees is over negative root 2 over 2, up root 2 over 2. Any x value in the second quadrant should be negative. Keep that in your mind. What's this next angle measure going to be? It's 150 degrees. Take your 30-degree triangle, reflect it across. The 30-degree triangle reflects to right here. That means this big angle measure right here, angle measure 150 degrees, has a 30-degree reference angle. Those ordered pairs should be the same. If you'll notice, they're up the same distance. One's going positive, one's going negative. So the ordered pairs should be the same y values. The x values are the same except for the signs, because one's on the positive side of x, one's on the negative side of x. So 150 degrees ordered pair is negative root 3 over 2, up 1/2. What's this next ordered pair? What am I doing? I'm opening from 0, 0 and going all the way around to where? To 180 degrees. That ordered pair is starting at the origin. I'm going to the left 1 unit. So this ordered pair is negative 1, 0. Now, I'm not going to do any more for you. I'm not going to talk you through any more of it. You fill out the rest of the unit circle and do the front side of this worksheet. That's what we're going to talk about in class on Friday. Also, what we're going to talk about in class on Friday is changing these degree measures. I didn't label 60 degrees over here. We're going to change these degree measures to radian measures. That'll be something else that we add to this unit circle, and then your unit circle will be filled out. See you tomorrow.